I am the student assistance counselor, and here at the elementary school I work with students. Sometimes I work with them individually or in small groups depending on what's going on. And I work in the classrooms as well. I do classroom presentations, I'm helping with social emotional learning, and we do different activities to sort of bring that to the forefront. So I'm going in, we talk a little bit about the definition of friendship. I read a story. The story is called What's the Recipe for a Friend? And we talk about the sort of ingredients in that recipe. So the ingredients to have a great friendship. We also talk about the ingredients that are not so great for a friendship. The activity then that we're working on is making a friendship cupcake. So each student gets a cupcake, they get to decorate it, and my sprinkles have good ingredients and bad ingredients. They sort of look through the sprinkles and decide what they want on their friendship cupcake, glue it on. Some of them are taking them home to families, some of them are giving them to friends. So they are having a lot of fun with it. I feel like I've accomplished just something fun, but also so important about raising awareness, having the students get to know themselves and one another, and sort of being open to finding good people that surround them in their life.